Look at your life. Everything is easy. Your room is 72 degrees. Your food appears in 30 minutes. You haven't been truly cold, hungry, or physically uncomfortable in years. You think this is winning, but it's destroying you. Your ancestors would be ashamed. And the worst part? You know I'm right. Every day it's the same cycle. Wake up in a perfect temperature room. Hot shower, coffee, delivered. Sit in a comfortable chair staring at screens. Any minor discomfort, too hot, too cold, slightly hungry, you immediately fix it. You optimize for comfort in every single decision. And now you can't handle stress. A difficult conversation makes your heart race. A cold day ruins your mood. Your boss's email spikes your anxiety. You've become so soft that normal life feels overwhelming. You're not living. You're hiding in a climate-controlled cage. And deep down, you feel weak. Because you are. I lived like this for years. Avoided every uncomfortable situation. Chased convenience. Then I discovered what every elite athlete, special forces operator, and high performer already knows. Comfort is a drug, and you're addicted. Here's what changed everything. In the next 3 minutes, I'm giving you the Voluntary Hardship Protocol. 5 strategic discomfort injections that will rebuild your stress tolerance and make you mentally unbreakable. This isn't about suffering. It's about controlled challenges that make you stronger. Let's begin. 1. The cold morning shock. Your nervous system is stuck in permanent safe mode. Cold exposure triggers norepinephrine release, which builds stress resilience and dopamine regulation. Here's what you do. Every morning, end your shower with 60 seconds of cold water. As cold as it goes. No gradual temperature drop. Switch from warm to freezing immediately. Focus on controlled breathing. 4-count inhale. 4-count exhale. Do this 7 days straight before evaluating. Skip this, and you'll never learn to control your stress response. You'll always be a slave to comfort. Your ancestors bathed in rivers. You can handle 60 seconds. 2. The hunger window. You eat the moment you feel hungry. You've never learned to sit with discomfort. Intermittent fasting isn't just physical, it's mental training. When you delay gratification and sit with hunger, you're building distress tolerance. Most people can't handle 4 hours of hunger without panicking. Pick 1 day per week. No food until 2 p.m. Only water and black coffee. Feel the hunger. Don't distract yourself. Sit with it. Notice how the urge passes in waves. It's not constant. This isn't a diet. It's discomfort practice. If you can't control when you eat, you can't control anything. Hunger is temporary. Weakness is permanent. 3. The physical hardship task. You've disconnected physical challenge from your identity. Physical exhaustion creates mental resilience through stress inoculation. Your brain learns, I survived that. I can survive anything. Most people never push past the first layer of discomfort. Every Saturday, 1 brutal physical task. Not a workout, a task. 100 push-ups. Break it up, however. 5-mile walk with no phone. Move furniture for a friend. Chop wood. Dig a hole and fill it back up. Must be physical labor that makes you sweat and question why you're doing it. No music. No distractions. Just you and the work. Without physical challenge, you become mentally fragile. Every obstacle feels impossible. Soft body, soft mind. Hard body, hard mind. 4. The uncomfortable conversation. You avoid conflict and difficult conversations, which makes you weak and resentful. Social discomfort avoidance creates anxiety loops. Every time you dodge a hard conversation, you reinforce the belief that you can't handle it. Exposure therapy works. Confronting social fear is the only way to kill it. Identify 1 conversation you've been avoiding. Friend, parent, boss, roommate. Schedule it within 72 hours. No texts. In person or phone call only. Say the thing you've been scared to say. Respectfully, but directly. I need to set a boundary. I disagree with you. I'm upset about this. Avoid this, and you'll be a people-pleasing coward who resents everyone in your life. Comfortable silence or uncomfortable growth. Choose. 5. The Boredom Challenge. You can't sit with yourself. You need constant stimulation to feel okay. Boredom tolerance is the foundation of focus, discipline, and impulse control. Your brain's baseline dopamine is destroyed by constant entertainment. Strategic boredom resets your reward system. Once per week. 30 minutes alone in a room with nothing. No phone, no book, no TV, no tasks. Just sit. Let your mind wander. Be uncomfortable. You'll want to quit at 5 minutes. That's when it starts working. Write down what thoughts come up. They're usually important. If you can't be alone with your thoughts, you'll always be running from yourself. Boredom is where you meet who you really are. Listen closely. This isn't a challenge list. This is a protocol to rebuild yourself into someone who doesn't run from discomfort. Most people optimize for ease. You're going to optimize for strength. These 5 things will make you mentally tougher than 90% of men your age. Not because they're extreme, but because you'll actually do them while everyone else stays comfortable and weak. This is how you become the person you respect. Right now, pick one of these 5. Just one. Execute it this week. Then come back and comment which one you chose. If you're serious about building real mental strength, subscribe. This channel is for men who choose the hard path. The Voluntary Hardship Protocol starts today. Choose hard.